In this clip, I want to talk to you about safety glasses and face shields. When you're working on a lathe and the pieces are spinning around at a fast rate of speed, sometimes pieces can break off or chips can fly, and you can be injured or seriously injured. So whenever I turn, I wear safety glasses. These are prescription safety glasses. I can't see a thing without them, so it's important for me to wear safety glasses. But in addition to that, I always wear a face shield. There are different varieties of face shields. This one happens to come down around my chin, and it keeps the chips from coming up underneath and smacking me. This one is also a chin protector, but it has a full respirator on top of it as well. And here's another version of a safety shield that covers your face. It's very important to observe these safety procedures when you're turning, because if you get a chip or a chunk of bark that hits you in your face, you could break a bone, you could cut your skin, your turning could be ended for the day, or it could be ended for a few weeks or few months after you have time to heal.